Hello, friends. You're welcome to class. I remain Mr. Sonny Okando. Last time we met, we treated question 1 to 35 of the 2025 Basic Education Certificate Examination, popularly known as Junior WAEC or Junior NECO. Okay, so today we are going to look at the grammar part of the same exam. So we are going to start from question 36, but we need to read the instructions. So this is section C, grammatical accuracy. Okay, here we go. Complete each of the following sentences with the most appropriate of the options lettered A to E, number 36 to 65. Question 36. It is possible to predict the dash of an eclipse. So we're looking for the correct spelling. And our answer is C, occurrence. The correct spelling of occurrence. Okay. 37 says the place was quite neat except for dash on the floor. The answer is D, except for some dirt on the floor. All right. So 38, question 38. I doubt if there is dash biscuit left. A few. B, a little. C, any. D, many. E, much. Our answer is any biscuit left. So C is our answer. 39. Adedola Adedola is the dash intelligence of my three siblings. Less, little, more, most, very. Our answer is most intelligent because you are comparing three people, three siblings. Question 40. Victoria dash since morning. Victoria dash since morning. A has been sleeping. B has slept. C is sleeping. D slept. E was sleeping. So our answer is has been sleeping since morning. A. Okay, so we have he went out as soon as he dash eaten. Is it A had, B has, C have, D will have, E would have? Our answer is D. Our answer is A, pardon. He went out as soon as he had eaten. A. 42. Which of the following suffixes can be added to the word kind to form a new word? Okay, we have A, able, B, full, C, meant, D, kindness is our answer. D, kindness. 43. BC doesn't have to stay at home. This is question type questions. BC doesn't have to stay at home. A, does she? B, doesn't she? C, is she? D, shouldn't she? E, will she? BC doesn't have to stay at home. A is our answer. Does she? 44. Is she a friend of ours or dash? Dear, okay, A, B, C, D, E, and we are looking for the right possessive pronoun, okay, and our answer is C. Number 45, the box was dash heavy for the boy to lift. Okay, so our answer is too heavy for the boy to lift. 46 says Kosi came top of her class that she had worked hard. Our answer is because she had worked hard. Our answer is B, because she had worked hard. 47 says my uncle retired before he was born. His uncle retired before he was born. Okay, so our answer is B. Didn't he? B. Didn't he? Okay. The next one is question 48. Question 48 says, prayers were said at the beginning of the meeting. Prayers were said at the beginning of the meeting. So we are looking for the correct spelling of beginning, and our answer is E, Deginn. Okay. Then 49 says, the little boy was knocked down by a bicycle while running dash the road. While running dash the road, running across the road. Alright, question 50 says, direct speech. Is there enough food? She asked. Indirect speech. She asked whether there was enough food. So our answer is C. Okay, 51. Dash students came late to school yesterday because it rained. So go to C as our answer, many students. Okay, so for 52, we have I bought a dash dress. So we are looking for the proper order of this arrangement of the adjectives. And our answer is D. Okay, D says, I bought a long, beautiful dinner dress. Okay, I bought a long, beautiful dinner dress. Then 53 says, the baby dash every night. Okay, the baby cries every night. So our answer is B. 54 says, one of the girls dash representing the school. One of the girls is, because they are talking about one out of all the girls. One of them is representing the school. Okay, 55 says, the hunter was attacked by a dash of wolves. Our answer is D, a pack. D will go there. All right, so we have 56. Aisha came to the examination hall dash than I. Later than I. C is our answer. Direct speech. Can you lend me your textbooks? Biola asked. All right. Indirect speech. Biola asked if I could. Our answer is B. If I could. 58. Which of the following prefixes can be used with the word capable to form a new word? So we're looking for the prefix that can be used together with the word capable, and we have incapable. C. 59. I knew him. We have been good friends. We have been good friends since. Lola Dash be traveling to China for a holiday. Okay, so she will be traveling to China. Our answer is D. 61. Moses was asked to divide the cake dash the two boys. So two boys, between the two boys, our answer is C. 62. Active voice. The maid has not washed the clothes. The clothes dash washed by the maid. Okay, our answer is have not been washed. C is our answer. The clothes have not been washed. 63. We witnessed the inferno. We witnessed the inferno ourselves. Ourselves. Okay, 64, question 64. Parents dash encourage their children to speak their dialect. Parents should, our answer is D. 65. Mr. Nura advised his four children to help one another. Our answer is B. Okay, now we are done with grammar. The next part we are going to look at is section D, spoken English or use of oral English. Okay, so let's read the instructions. The instruction says choose from the options lettered A to E, the one that contains the given phonetic symbol. Okay, the one that contains the given phonetic symbol. All right, you have seen the sound, the th sound we have in the slant line. Then we have duck, mother, earth, tap. Okay, our answer is fin, which is E. For 67, our answer is still E, vision. We go to 68. So, okay, so our answer is B, notice the sound. We have A. So for 69, our answer is pray, which is D. Okay, we have the J sound for 70. And here our answer for number 70 is fridge, which is B. Question 71, our answer is ring, which is C. For question 72, our answer is C, which is walk, walk. All right. For question 73, our answer is B, which is bite. For question 74, who sound. Our answer is B, boom, B, boom. For 75, our answer is sheep. For 76, for question 76, our answer is oil, C. Okay, for question 77, our answer is D, luck. For question 78, our answer is care. For question 79, our answer is church. For question 80, our answer is C, girl. Okay, we have come to the end of this section. I hope you enjoyed the class. I remain Mr. Sonny Okando.